Hello guys, welcome again. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you about equation of tangents to a curve. Tangents to a curve. So it's about the differentiation now. Now a curve and a tangent. So a tangent is a line that touches the curve at a point. So when you consider having a curve that runs this way. So for example, we have at this particular point a line that is touching the curve at a particular point. This line that I'm drawing here, this one is the one which is called the tangent. It does not cross the curve, it does not intersect the curve, but it just touches the curve at a point, at this particular point. So this line here is the one which is called the tangent of this given curve. Now, what you need to understand is that the gradient of the curve at a point is the same as the gradient of that given tangent. So the gradient of the curve at a point is the same as the gradient of that given tangent. Now let me start with the first question. Find the equation of the tangent to the given curve at the given point. In the first example, we got y equal to x cubed plus x squared plus 1. So let me start doing the first example. So y equal to x cubed plus x squared plus x. The indicated point here is 1, 3. So first of all, we need to find the gradient function. The gradient function is dy dx. This one you differentiate this one with respect to x, so that becomes 3 multiplied by 1, that gives you 3x, then the power reduces by 1, 3x squared plus, this one becomes 2x plus, this one is x power 1 becomes 1. So that is the gradient function. Now find the gradient of the curve now of that point. We substitute x with 1 because this one is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. So the gradient now, so gradient of that given at that given point is equal to 3x squared, that is 1 squared plus 2 into bracket 1 plus 1. So this gradient is 3 plus 2, that is giving me 6. So now the point is 1, 3. So say now the gradient, which is denoted by m, is equivalent to change in y all over the change in x. So gradient is 6 is equal to change in y. We just create our point y minus, so this is the y coordinate, y minus 3 over x minus 1. So here when you cross multiply, you are going to have y minus 3. Y minus 3 is equivalent to 6 into bracket x minus 6. So the final answer becomes y is equal to 6x, that is minus, so this one is x minus 1. Let me just wrap this one. This is 6 to bracket x minus 1. So it becomes y into bracket y is equal to 6x minus 6 plus 3. So this 3 crosses the equal sign to become plus 3. So now the final answer becomes y equal to 6x minus 3. So this is the equation of the tangent. That is part 1 of the equation, part A of the equation. Now to solve part B, let me come and solve part B. Let me just grab this one now. Part B, we got it to be y equal to x cubed plus 6x squared minus 3x plus 1. Now come and find the gradient function, that is dy dx. Differentiating with respect to x gives you, this one is going to give you 3x squared, the power reduced by 1 plus 2 by 6, that is 12x minus 3. Now the gradient of this given line, gradient, you substitute x is equal to 0 now from the part B. So 3 is equal to 3 to bracket 0 squared plus 12 into bracket 0 minus 3. So this gradient is giving you negative 3. So the gradient of this given line of this given curve at that given point is negative 3. Now you can see now on the second example we don't have the y coordinate, so we need to get the y coordinate. So the equation of the curve is y equal to x cubed minus 6x squared minus this one is plus 6x squared minus 3x plus 1. So the x coordinate here is 0. So the value of y is equal to 0 cubed plus 6 into bracket 0 squared minus 3 into bracket 0 plus 1. So the y coordinate is equal to 1. So the coordinates is x, 1. The value of x here, is equal to 0, and the value of y is 1. Now find the equation. So the gradient of that given tangent is equal to change in y over the change in x. So the gradient we obtain to be negative 3 is equal to y minus, so the y coordinate here is 1 over x minus 0. So the equation y minus 1 is equal to minus 3x. So the final answer becomes y is equal to minus 3x plus 1. And that's how we find the equation of the tangent. Subscribe for more video updates. Thank you.